There are many ways to travel 950.7 kilometers across Zambia. You can fly, you can take a bus, you can sit comfortably in a car with air conditioning and snacks. Or let's ride to Lusaka.
950
you
kilometers.
You go and do it, okay, and show me. Then we talk.
Which town is this?
Chinsali.
Chinsali.
Yeah.
This is Chinsali.
No, this is Isoka.
Chisoga.
Isoka.
Isoka.
Yes.
Oh, Isoka town.
Then next is Chinsali.
Next is Chinsali. You know, after Chinsali, the roads are bad.
Yes, sometimes the road is bad.
100 km.
Up to the range now.
100 kilometers from here to
Chinsali.
Ah.
From there to Chinsali to Selenge is about 300 km.
310?
Yeah, then there the road is perfect.
From Chinsali to...
From Chinsali to Selenge.
To Selenge.
There are too much potholes, but they are not bad.
How many kilometers?
About 400.
400 of bad kilometers. Of bad roads. Sorry.
Yeah, but wonder you can manage. Yeah, but you can manage. There are so many potholes. They're okay.
They are manageable.
Then from from Selenge now to Lusaka is perfect.
Perfect. We can do even 300.
Yes.
Nice one. Things we love to hear.
Now from Lusaka to Chinsali, we hammered 11 hours.
Driving.
Yes.
Wow. 11 hours, meaning you left at what time?
05.
And you arrived
reached
there?
around 16 somewhere there. 16 to 17.
We'll do this thing.
Yeah, you can.
We'll do it. Because with a bike, you know you.
Yeah, you can maneuver.
But we need to leave at 5.
Chinsali.
That's the thing.
Chinsali.
So that it doesn't get us to...
Yeah, we can leave at 5, then we'll get there probably at 3.
Or later.
In Lusaka?
Yeah.
Yes.
If we leave here at 5, what time do you think we'll get to Lusaka?
With bikes, I think you can reach there like
4.
By 4, yeah. 4 or 3, you are in Lusaka. With bikes.
Now, there's something about planning and reality. This was our plan.
And save time the entire day. It's our hardest day. The first part is easy. Then we have 400 kilometers of madness, and then after that we should be able to get into Lusaka. Now we have many bikers meeting us at Kabwe, so we want to try and make it in time so that we don't delay the whole contingent that has come to escort us. So if you push us a bit, don't worry. Our aim is to try and make it. It's not normal that you do 900 kilometers a day, okay? But it's good we set off early. This is excellent. We'll do a fuel stop after 100 kilometers. After that fuel stop, maybe the next stop is in Pika. We do a second fuel stop in Pika. Then after that, we'll try and do every 200 and something kilometers in a sensible place. The key thing is whenever we get fuel. That's the key thing. Whenever we find fuel, and we should be okay to get down. Okay.
About 150 kilometers into the trip, Zambia introduced us to approximately 400 kilometers of road construction. Now, when someone says road construction, you might imagine rough patches here and there, maybe some gravel, maybe a detour. No, these potholes were enough to qualify for an inland lake, man. At one point, we weren't sure if we were on a highway or participating in an off-road rally. Every rider developed a new skills regardless. Some dodged the potholes, some jumped over the potholes. Others accepted their fate and rode directly through them while questioning their every choice in life that led them to this moment. At this moment, I was trying to play catch up with 2 guys ahead of me. That's Joshua and Mrusha. And one group rule is simple. If you don't see the lights behind you, stop, wait for a minute. If you completely can't see anyone approaching, time to go back and look for the other crew. And that's exactly what I did. Had to go back for almost 10 kilometers, looking for the crew. Only to find out Jeremiah's bike had a slow puncture.
These are the challenges you get on the road sometimes, so you need to carry your own pump because you're in the middle of nowhere. Yeah, so we're waiting for it to be just inflated, then we head on. We are just from Chinsali.
With the first mechanical issue solved, morale improved. The road looked better, the weather looked better, the motorcycle sounded healthy. Naturally, this was the universe preparing for its next joke, because roughly 30 minutes later, the same bike had the same issue. This time, the tire went flat instantly. Now it was time for our expertise to be put to test. Luckily enough, Rev Nick, our lead mech, was at it.
You have to have some experience in mechanical issues. So we had a flat tire over here, but it's being fixed. Yeah, so the whole team is here. Never leave anyone behind, no matter what. We have to go together.
To open the nut. It's to open the nut.
Open that nut. Let me see what I have here.
Yeah.
Pliers or something?
Pliers, if you have pliers.
Thank you.
I was watching your Facebook.
Really?
Yes.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Can you play Chris?
Pokea zawadi. Hojai tulinunua wapi? Iringa. Unaona kabla tufikie? Mimi nilikuwa naomba zawadi. Tunakwenda kuchukua kama leo.
Maybe ndio maana chain yako ilikatika. Ndio ununue tube ikuje tusaidie hapa.
Hey, Semo.
What's happening?
How did you know?
We had changed the
Semo is educated.
wrench. So it wasn't fitting.
He's
And
educated.
Rev is trying to pull it out and it's just a push. And yeah.
Oh my God. What a day, what a day. Just starting.
So we see if we get it quicker or not.
Sleep here. Who had a tent?
We'll come here. This is
I was
adventure.
expecting us to come yesterday.
This is adventure.
And then you guys take us to
Imagine having a straight day all the way to how boring.
How
can that
boring.
be?
Let's
Huh?
come, guys.
What do you mean?
We have enough tents.
Tell me, how many lessons have you all learned today? I did not know you can use this shop to remove the caliper. Thank you.
I did not know you did.
Dog.
You don't know. You have to push to remove.
Hey, to remove. Not push to start.
And so the tire was fixed. Off we go. But shock on us. Now this time, it's not the tire. It was the top box. Jeremiah's top box had lost it. It wasn't doing this journey anymore.
Looks like a dangerous place.
It is. That's what I was telling Andrew.
Looks like a very dangerous place. Yes.
I start up.
Just stop. Let's go somewhere ahead. This looks like a dangerous place. Let's go.
So I had to play catch up with the rest of the team and let them know Jeremiah's top box needs to be fixed. Here we go, the battle of the GS and the Super Tenere. After fixing the top box, now we are on to the next challenge, one that no rider wants to hear of. Fuel shortage. In Pika town, there's only one fuel station that had fuel. Had to queue for almost an hour for us to fuel our bikes.
How are you, my brother? I'm fine. From Kenya. You are okay? You are welcome to Zambia. Just come to India. Oh, you came for the beer? No, you have it in Lusaka.
Okay. We'll have all we need. Thank you.
And then it happened again. Once again, the team assembled. Once again, every rider became an expert. One of us listened for 3 seconds, another diagonized completely different issue. If confidence could fix motorcycles, we'd have reached Lusaka by lunchtime. Instead, we spent another hour on the roadside. Issue? The sprocket. Having owned a chain-ridden bike before, I noticed the chain was loose, tightened it, and we could no longer hear the noise. Off we go again. This time we hoped nothing will come between us and Lusaka. Shock on us. The police in Zambia.
They want the license now. Let's talk to them. And this time we talk to them.
The funny part, one of us escaped. Price for that? He was called a bagger.
You are together with that bagger.
Who?
That bagger, the one who's going. Hey, I'm saying you are together with that one. No, I'm saying you are together. I'm saying you are together with that one. The one who... Okay, where's your license? Okay, bring my your license.
Yet despite everything, there was something magical about the ride. The landscapes, the villages, the endless horizon, the waves from people along the road, the feeling of covering huge distance under your own power. Even the challenges became part of the adventure. Years from now, nobody will remember the smooth sections. Everyone will remember the breakdowns, the potholes, the police bagger, and the trucks which appeared abandoned sometime during the previous century. But for now,
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the East African Bikers. We are all the way from Kenya and we've reached in Kawe. We've been hosted by our brother Suzio, who's also a biker.
Definitely.
Very perfect place at Farmers Rest, man. What do you say?
This is the place to be.
Awesome.
This is the place to be. Whoever is in Central Province,
Awesome.
Kawe, Farmers Rest is a place to be. We offer rooms, conferencing, and also the pub and grill.
we are in Lusaka, and suddenly every hardship became worth it. The motorcycles rolled into the dark city. The engines were tired. The riders super tired. Even the luggage looked tired. But we had made it. Against the potholes, against the mechanical problems, against the police bagger, and against the roads that occasionally seemed fictional. We had arrived. Hello, Lusaka.
Gents, how are you?
Hey.
Hey, you are here.
Yeah.
Already rested.
You're fresh now.
What time did you get in?
We came here at around 9:30, I think.
Oh, nice. For us,
Havana Pole, I heard you.
Yes, we were caught by police, and then
Yeah, we saw that the police was
trying to stop you.
actually we caught him by surprise. He wasn't ready. So after we passed, I think he knew the others coming. Or someone tipped him off that it's a big group.
Well done. But also the lineup was hard for
Everything
people.
okay?
Not people just give up.
900 kilometers done.
Well done.
Yes, how do you feel after 900 kilometers?
No one is taking that record away from me. Hey,
950
you
kilometers.
go and do it, okay? And show me. Then we talk.
How do you feel after 900 kilometers?
Ah, man, I'm tired. That's all I can say.
He does it up. How do you feel after 900 kilometers?
What? No comment.
950.
Let me correct you. It's 950.7.
So how do you feel having done 950.7 kilometers, my dear?
Sensational. 950.7
Don't forget the
kilometers. Yeah, 0.7. I can't forget the 0.7. Wow, the ride has been awesome. For the first time, I've done 180 kilometers per hour for almost 45 minutes continuously, trying to play catch up just because I had to adjust my helmet. But I loved it, man. The speeds were crazy. I loved the views. I loved the the crew, man, the crew.
Yeah.
How do you feel after 950.7?
I'm alive, like literally done and dusted. The dusted part is real. Like, I think it's one of my longest. Yeah.
All right. How do you feel after the 900 kilometers?
Well, I feel rejuvenated and young and strong.
You're still in gears. You want to do another kilometer or something?
Do another 100.
Let's go back.
Nick, how do you feel after 950.7 kilometers?
Me, I'm over. Completely. I want to lie flat. You know? Lie flat. You know? On some very thick mattress and knock out. At least a full night's rest. 2 nights, by the way, we've woken up like at 4:30 in the morning. Yeah. So, but it's been an interesting. We've crossed half of Zambia. Half of Zambia. Tomorrow we cross the other half. Nice. North to south. I mean, this trip has been amazing.
Welcome to Lusaka, guys.
Asante.
All right.
Cheers.
Copper Bell said to come and
Good to see you, my brother. But you guys, you left one of your guys.
Guys, quiet.
You guys left.
We had to rescue.
Zambian bikers are here to welcome us. They said even if it's midnight, they'll show up.
You just joined.
Oh.
Even to name, but you, this is Chinese. Are you sure?